Ready to ditch the generic and design a clothing store logo that screams your brand's unique style? Let's dive in. First, understand your brand. What's your vibe? Are you high-end fashion, streetwear cool, or eco-conscious comfort? Write down keywords that define your brand's personality. Think modern, vintage, playful, or minimalist. Next up is fonts. Serif fonts are traditional, sans serif are modern, and script fonts add a touch of elegance. Choose a font that aligns with your brand's personality. Colors speak volumes. Blue conveys trust, red signifies passion, and green represents nature. Select a color palette that evokes the right emotions for your target audience. Time to design. If you're on a budget, use free tools like Canva or Logo Maker. They offer templates and design elements to get you started. For more control, consider paid software like Adobe Illustrator. It allows for detailed customization and scalability. Ensure your logo is versatile. It should look good on your website, social media, and clothing tags. Avoid common pitfalls. Keep it simple, ensure readability, and don't use too many colors. A great logo communicates your brand's essence instantly. It should be memorable and easily recognizable. Optimize your logo for your Shopify theme. Ensure it fits the header size and looks great on both desktop and mobile. Protect your brand. Consider trademarking your logo to prevent others from using it. And there you have it. Now you're equipped to create a stunning logo that elevates your Shopify clothing store and attracts loyal customers. Good luck.